Welcome to Vintage Stitchery Archives. Today we'll be exploring the March 1948 issue of the WorkBasket magazine. This beloved series was filled with crochet, knitting, tatting, and home craft projects, and I'm so glad to share this piece of history with you. For this flip through, I've chosen to present the entire magazine as full-page slides. This way you can pause at any point and even save a screenshot if you'd like a closer look. The complete magazine has been carefully preserved as a PDF, which you'll find available in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. This issue includes both home decor projects and small accessories, making it a versatile one for crafters of the time. Alongside the patterns, you'll find advertisements that give us a wonderful glimpse into the daily life in the late 1940s. Here we see a classic luncheon set with delicate crochet motifs. Thank you for joining me for this March 1948 WorkBasket flip through. If you enjoyed this video, you may want to explore more issues from the 1940s, the 1950s, and beyond, all of which I'll be sharing here on my channel. And if you'd like to have this complete issue in your collection as a preserved PDF, it is available in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. Please subscribe for more vintage crochet and needlework archives, and I'll see you in the next flip through.